We are
Sanay
on,
naman yan, tricycle driver yan.
cable car. Oh, I don't wanna lose my cup. Oh. We are in cable right now.
It's swelling na. Parang walang view.
Oh, ganda ng view. Ah.
Ha, iyan mo yung sa akin din.
Yan naka-ano nga. You want that.
Supposed to be you go that side, but it's not balanced maybe. Yeah.
Takot. Hawakan mo muna. Binigyan ko.
Okay na yan. Kunti lang sa.
How many? 2 minutes also.
Takot.
Oh!
Press ko.
Yeah,
Chill ka
nice,
lang
huh?
ako hindi.
If like this, not steep, but if too high,
Naano ka, Crystal?
I'm afraid.
you afraid?
My God.
If you go to Hong Kong Ocean Park, it's higher than
My
this
feet
one.
are sweating.
Higher.
My feet are sweating.
Dapat dito mag-video Kita naman dito ah.
Ay, naka-front.
Yeah. Ako pa.
Ang peaceful.
It takes how many minutes? How many minutes? How many
That's
minutes?
That's it?
How many minutes?
Hindi pa.
It's 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes.
Hello!
Hi! Hello!
Hello.
How's rides?
Magtago ka, Crystal. Ibig sabihin yung zip line, yung nag-represent ka lang na hindi ka takot.
Hindi, gusto ko yung zipline. Hindi safe. Kailangan meron ako ano.
Oh, it's not safe.
My
This
vest.
one is safe. That's zip line. Zip line is.
Ako lang.
Oh, my cups is windy, man.
Uy, ang ganda naman talaga sa baba.
Nice at that. Ooh, going up to the mountain. Yeah, I'm holding my cup. They're gonna throw it away.
Mamaya
No,
pa
it's
uwi.
mountain.
Mamaya. Pwede pa tayo maglibot-libot.
Hindi.
Of course.
Oh, because mag-hiking ka dyan.
Para rin makikita mo siya.
Wow, windy. Oh, no. You're lucky, huh? You're lucky. That's why I holding my cup.
Dito, parang ang taas-taas dito.
It's
Taas nga.
Yup.
Cheese.
Yup. Yeah, it's moving, man. It's moving like this.
Wow, tignan mo yung ocean.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, yung mga hangin niya. Wow, may beach. Wasaga yata.
Yeah, Wasaga. No, yeah, Wasaga. No, it's not Wasaga. It's a
Georgian Bay. It's Georgian
lake.
Bay.
That's lake, right?
Georgian Bay yan.
Yeah. It's lake.
Ganda.
Oh, nice view on top, man.
Alam niyo ba, pwede rin pumunta tayo dyan sa may beach. Hanapin natin. Lampas ng Blue Hawk. Wow.
It's end now. Cable end.